Hi! In front of me is Lenovo K6 and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, access device settings and scroll down. Then choose languages and input, virtual keyboard and Gboard. Then go into theme and click on this plus sign under my themes. After that, select one of the images and click at the chosen one. Then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. After that, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Then tap on done and click on the switcher next to keyboarders to disable or enable them. When you're done, click apply, and now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!